ever. All that shit.
This one looks good.
From far away. Oh! Seagulls, go away. No one likes you. Go away, seagulls, you're drunk. Come on, mate. Go. Oh my god.
David, are you really?
Day in the life of Marcus.
I almost got it.
I'm walking.
I feel like
My camera just got wet. Oh well. It is not dead. I mean, even up.
with Kip and Amanda, water was this temperature. We were fucking
I'm sinking.
so gross.
Oh,
The
shit.
water felt like almost like a jacuzzi. Like it was like so warm, like bathroom.
I'm gonna die. Seagulls! 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 Water! Holding down the spot for people. I am in an oil puddle. What is wrong with me? I'm recording. Kill me now. I'm freezing my ass off. Why I'm not even gonna put this online. I might. Yeah. Totally did not see my license plate. With cat license plate in the background, talking to a camera like a crazy person, but I don't care. I don't care. What am I singing? Jazzy. I'm still recording. Why am I recording? Why would you watch this? And if you watch this, I love your face for no apparent reason. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, and judge my singing in the comments down below.